It is cold, it is wet. I am on winter tires, very inefficient winter tires. They were the cheapest on Marktplaats. I am in the hills, I'm in winter. This is pretty much the worst case scenario for an electric car and for the range of an electric car. So I thought I'd update you on what you can expect if you have the Maxon extender and want to drive in like the worst possible conditions. So the first thing of note is that you can see I don't have aero mods on my wheels, and in fact these are other wheels. These are steel rims. And what I did is I got a set of steel rims with winter tires from Marktplaats, and this is our second-hand website in the Netherlands. And very quickly it became obvious that it is impossible to fit these on a Leaf because the bolts, the 5 bolts there, they are M12 by 1.25 millimeters. And there are literally no bulb seated nuts, lug nuts for this thread. So I've had to use adapter rings, and I've had to use a rim size that's not quite right. Fortunately, with the adapters, it is possible to fit these and fit these well. Haven't had any problems or anything, but yeah, it is very hard to get steel rims on here. This way I don't have to pay twice a year something like 20 euros per tire to swap them on and off my alloy rims. Now the real solution would be to buy alloy rims with winter tires, but those are like 400 euros, so that's kind of ridiculous. And additionally, even though I have had time to put the emblem on again, which fell off at some point, the air dam that I made from styrofoam has fallen out, and of course I don't have the wheel covers, so I have pretty much no aero mods on my car, and this does seem to make a difference, especially in this cold weather. Now, and altogether, as you can see, I have my trip meter at 117.2 kilometers. That's the distance we traveled since the last full charge, and there's about 17 kilometers remaining. That's not completely accurate, but it's close. So the winter range in pretty much the worst case conditions is about 135 kilometers. Now this is the first time we are in winter in these bad conditions in the mountains with the Leaf, but we do have the car for almost exactly 1 year now. 8th of January 2018 is when we bought it, and in that period we did drive it a lot without the extender battery. And even on flat terrain without the hills, we only had a range of about 75-ish kilometers. So roughly a doubling is consistent with what we had in summer. In summer, our range would have been about 125 or 120 kilometers, and it's 250 now, or maybe a little bit less if you drive a bit faster. So yeah, it's kind of a doubling, the extender, for us. So yeah, I hope you found this video kind of useful, and I'm really interested in other Leaf owners. What is your range right now in like proper bad conditions? So see you in the next video.